Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Visa Inc. Full guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Visa Inc. is and its role in the payment processing industry. Research the company's history, market position, and recent performance. Access your preferred financial news outlet to gather this information. Next, create a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Select a reputable brokerage that offers access to Visa Inc. shares. Ensure that the brokerage supports your region and preferred investment strategy. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your brokerage account. Decide how much you want to invest in Visa Inc. based on your financial goals. Research Visa's current stock price and market trends. Use analytical tools available on your brokerage platform to assess Visa's performance. Consider factors like the company's earnings reports, competition, and market conditions. Determine whether to buy shares of Visa outright or consider options such as fractional shares. If you decide to buy shares, place a market order to purchase them at the current market price. Alternatively, you may choose a limit order to set a specific price at which you are willing to buy. Review your order details carefully before confirming the purchase. Once the order is executed, monitor your investment regularly. Stay informed about Visa's business developments and sector trends that may impact the stock. Consider setting a plan for when to sell or take profits based on market conditions. Evaluate your investment performance periodically and adjust your strategy as needed. Remain patient, as investing is often a long-term endeavor. Stay engaged with financial news and updates related to Visa Inc. and the broader market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.